everyone, I am Shalini in front of you to explain human digestive system. Your digestion start from mouth and completed through anus. Mouth contain enzyme salivary amylase which work on the carbohydrate and convert into simple sugar known as maltose or complex starch into simple sugar known as maltose. Now food move into the esophagus. Esophagus through peristaltic movement. Which muscular movement is there? Peristaltic movement, and food come into the stomach. Stomach secrete hydrochloric acid and enzyme pepsin. Pepsin work only on acidic medium and convert protein into amino acid. Okay, and HCl digests the food. Now food move into the small intestine through which movement is there? First peristaltic movement, second one sphincter movement. This one is known as sphincter movement. Food moves into the small intestine through sphincter movement. Now pancreas secrete enzyme insulin and also secrete enzyme trypsin and lipase. Trypsin work on protein into the basic medium and convert into the amino acid. So pepsin work on acidic medium to convert protein into amino acid, and trypsin work on basic medium to convert protein into amino acid. Small intestine contain villi-like structure which increase the surface area for absorption of digested food. Mist like this, and when we increase the structure will also increase, so it increase the surface area for absorption of digested food. Now food move into the large intestine. Waste material are there and reabsorption of waters are there. Same time liver secrete bile juice which is stored in a sac that is known as gallbladder. Liver is the largest gland and it also help in the digestion of fats molecule into fatty acid and glycerol. Food move into the small intestine. Small intestine contain villi-like structure which increase the surface area for absorption of digested food. Now waste material move into the large intestine. This one where reabsorption of water occur, and waste material come into the anus and move out. Thank you. Now I am showing the diagram of mouth. Mouth contains salivary amylase enzyme and different type of taste bud present on your tongue. Sweet, sour, salty, bitter, sweet, etc. which help in digestion. Thank you.